y'all, welcome back to Chimney Creek Acres. So today we're gonna show you different projects around here that we've made since we've gotten this place. I like, instead of buying stuff, why not make it? You know, it's more personal. You can make it exactly the way you want it, the dimensions that you need. You can save some money, you know. Why pay somebody to do something that you can do? And you don't need a whole lot of tools starting off making your own thing. I didn't start making my own stuff until probably about 10 years ago, and cut my first piece of wood and screwed in my first screw and went from there and started off making a chicken coop. And that was my very first project. So that turned out well, and I really enjoyed woodworking and got more into it. And along the years, gotten better at it, but you know, still make mistakes. And thing is, learning how to cover up those mistakes. And that's the trick to it. So your basic tools that you'd need is a saw, hammer, screwdrivers, screw gun, level, and you can go from there. You don't need everything out there. You don't need to go Home Depot and spend thousands and thousands of dollars, just your basic stuff, and you'll be able to get by with it. So we got a little project me and Audrey's going to work on today, and I'll show you other projects that we've made here, and we've got some pictures of everything, so we'll be able to show you those. No videos of it, but I'll show you some pictures of different things we've made. All right, so your first thing that you're going to want to do before you cut is make sure you measure it, and measure it correctly. All right, because you can always measure again, but you can't cut again, especially if you cut too much off. You can't add it back on. So basically what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to take an inch off this board on this side, inch off this board on this side. So instead of doing it here, doing it there, we'll just measure down 2 inches. So we got our 2 right there. Make my little mark where my 2 is. I got my speed square. I'll line that up on that little mark. And yes, I'm using a pen. I don't like using pens doing this, but I can't find my pencil. It is just ran away. So I'll score that, and then I'll cut it. All right, so this is one of our projects we made here. So this was our first bunny hutch that we made. And now it's just kind of like our grow out area for the babies that grow up in here. I can put females in these 2 right here. But the males have to be over here. As you can see there, there's wood in between them. Keep them separated. All right, so as you know, this here is our chicken coop. Now it's our rabbit area. So my wife and I, we made this basically out of everything scrap almost. We had extra chicken wire laying around. We were given most of the wood. The only thing really we had to buy for this is screws and nails and the flooring. The walls here are made out of pallets that I pulled up and just took off the boards. The metal roof in there we got on top and along the sides and the back. That was given to us. So you can make things for cheap. You just gotta make it work. Use a little bit of imagination, but this works out well for all of our animals.
So this is me and Wyatt's fort, and we love it. So, we got this toy, and so it's easier to bring stuff up and down. It squeaks a lot. So like, boom. And so we got this to store our stuff in, and now we're putting a slide in, so it's super fun.
I just enjoyed just getting a look at something, piece of wood, just laying there at Home Depot. I'm like, I can make something out of that. Or you see something, or your wife sees something. She's like, I really like that table. I wish we could have a table like that. And you just make it. This humidity is so bad. You just walk outside, just stand outside. Don't even have to worry about doing anything. Just stand around outside, start sweating. Thanks, Georgia. All right, so here's some other projects over the years that I've done. Hey, you got an egg? Hey y'all. All right, hope y'all enjoyed this week's video. Of course, he would want to get in the video as soon as I try to start talking. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, we got some good videos coming up in the next few weeks, from animal deworming to planting the food plot for the deer for this hunting season, and be showing you how to catch sheep and lots more cool fun stuff that we're going to do here on the farm. So until next time, God bless.